I'm trying to catch Lincoln wheezing. He was just... See how he's caught his breathing? Here it is. That's the cough he's got. And just a moment ago he was breathing heavy. Okay. Okay, Lincoln? There it is. And then he's breathing like that, too. He's been doing this like 3 or 4 times today. I don't know if it's a reaction to the medication or if this is just what he's been doing the past few weeks. If he hasn't been doing this, I think I need to take him to the vet tomorrow, Rick. Because I don't think that coughing is maybe a reaction to the medication if he hasn't been coughing, or even the heavy breathing. Maybe he needs a change in the dosage or something. Let me know what you think. Bye.